Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be making some vegan ice cream. It's going to be strawberry banana ice cream, and here I have 4 frozen bananas. These are ripe bananas. They were frozen, but first you have to cut them before you freeze them. So I'm going to put them in my blender. Next you're going to add 2 tablespoons of almond butter. Remember to stir this before you add it. You'll need 1 cup of sliced strawberries, frozen, of course, and lastly some vanilla extract. You'll need about 1/2 teaspoon. So pour that in. There we go. So I placed all my ingredients in my food processor, and now we're going to pulse until it's combined. But first I have to plug it in. Okay. You can leave some bits and bites of the strawberry. So here it is, all done. My vegan ice cream. Here's my ice cream. So I'm going to place this into a container and freeze it. Here's my ice cream. I'm going to freeze this. I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for half an hour to get it hardened. And here's the finished product.